So this is going to be a quick video on how to use DALL-E within ChatGPT. It's much simpler than you think, and you can do a few things with it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, if you want to create an image within DALL-E 3, I'm actually in the ChatGPT app on my computer, so it's available on desktop as on mobile. And you can actually go here and so create an image. Or you can use here the view the tools and you can use picture DALL-E. Obviously, with something like this, you want to just go straight for it and create images much easier to deal with. So let's go ahead and just do a simple image of a lush rose bush. It's a nice rose bush illustration. And I didn't really specify that it was going to be photorealistic. That's the thing with DALL-E, you actually have to specify. So let's go ahead and play around with the actual style. We'll say photorealistic image of roses in a backyard garden. Stock photo quality is what I'm actually going to put in here. I don't remember the exact camera settings for this one, so I'm just going to stock photo quality. Okay, this is actually pretty. It's beautiful. Let's take a look at it a little bit more. And yeah, it's a really good photorealistic image. It does have a bit of an illustration quality to it, but it's still definitely something you can work with. Now, you can edit the image within DALL-E. You just basically click on this tool right here, and then you can go ahead and it says select the area to edit. So I'm going to edit this one. It's going to just mask it, and I'm going to say to it that I want to make this rose yellow. Make this rose yellow. So now it's going to take its time. Excellent. It says the roses in your garden have been upgraded to a vibrant yellow. So again, we have this one here. I'm going to actually cancel this right here. You have this one here is white, and now it's been changed to yellow. It's actually changed the structure a little bit, but that's to be expected when it comes to AI image generation. Now, what I'm seeing here also is that while you can do those kind of in-painting edits, you can't exactly do anything to the extent of Leonardo. For example, you would not necessarily be able to add text to this as you would be able to do in Leonardo Canvas. You'd have to definitely prompt it specifically and more specifically, which is normal within for AI image generation. But for somebody who has ChatGPT subscription and wants to create really good images, DALL-E is quality. It's a good image generator. It's actually, in my opinion, a lot better. It's up on par with Midjourney and with Leonardo and even Adobe Firefly, which I think is also really good. So you can go ahead and utilize this feature within ChatGPT to create images on the fly if you want to just do something quick, or if you don't want to go ahead and go on another platform, not a problem.